Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You need the right prerequisites. Check your Android version and device model, and backup keyboard settings now. Once done, install a launcher that supports custom emoji or a trusted third-party font app. You should grant the app storage and installation permissions when prompted, otherwise the process will stop. Make sure you have a copy of your current emoji set saved. Begin the change by opening the launcher or font app and selecting the Install or Apply option to start replacing emojis. Now you will install and apply the new emoji style. Open the app, choose an emoji pack or compatible font, and follow the in-app install steps. Some require download, apply, then reboot. Do that when asked. Once rebooted, open your launcher settings and select the new font or emoji renderer, or enable the keyboard theme that ships with the pack. Make sure to test in a messaging app. If your keyboard overrides emoji, switch to the keyboard bundled with the pack or grant the keyboard new theme permissions. Finish by verifying emojis across multiple apps, messages, social apps, and email, because some apps use their own emoji rendering. If emojis don't appear, clear the keyboard cache, reopen the launcher app, and reapply the emoji pack. You may need to toggle the keyboard or restart again. If problems persist, revert to your backup to restore the original state, then repeat the install carefully, checking permissions and compatibility. Remember, compatibility issues are the most common fault. Confirm device support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.